Hi guys, this is Beto Chingon, and my pool pump motor went out, and I already checked, and the capacitor is damaged. I have a small capacitor, okay, it's a short one, but it's a 35 UF and 370 volts. But anyway, the actual capacitor, the size, the physical size is too small, so I got me a bigger capacitor that is just a little bit bigger and higher voltage. It's a 40 UF and 440 volts. So it'll work, okay? It'll work on the motor, but the only issue is I'm not gonna be able to put the cover, But I'm okay with that. For now, I'm just gonna leave it like that, let it run, probably for the next 2 days, because the local places where I buy this type of capacitor, they're closed today. I'm working on a Saturday here, and they're going to be closed today, tomorrow. But on the other hand, I can just order this from Amazon, and I might be able to get it either Sunday or Monday. But it's still okay. I'm just going to let that one run for the next couple of days like that. And if I show you that unit works, that unit works. It's not a problem. It's just the size, the physical size of the capacitor is just not the right size, it's just too big, and it's not going to fit that cover, so I'm not going to be able to close it. But I can put the pump together and put it to work. That way my pool doesn't get green. Let me pause this video, that way I can show you guys. Okay, so I hope the video is not upside down, okay? But anyway, I already put the motor back, okay? Put the motor back, and the capacitor is back there, as you can see, but there's no cover. This, like I said, this is unsafe, okay? This is just a temporary fix, okay? Don't be throwing any water there or something like that, because there's no cover there. And like I said, it's just a temporary fix. I just ordered the new part. I'm waiting for the new part, but I'm gonna be using it like that because I don't want my pool water to get all green. Okay, so Alexa, turn on pool pump 1. Alexa, oh, I guess there's no power here. Alexa, turn on pool pump 1.
Okay.
Oops, hold on, okay? Okay, guys, my apologies, but as you guys know, I took apart the motor. I took apart the pump, so I took off the motor, and basically I drained the pump. So I needed to put more water to the pump. That way I don't burn the seals. I just turn it off and turn it on, that was my mistake, But anyway, I'm already putting water to the pump, and that way I can turn it on. But yeah, the motor was working, and I just stopped it quick, so I didn't burn nothing. I didn't damage nothing. So I'm just putting water right now, and then I'm gonna put it to work right now. Basically, after putting water to the pump, I'm just gonna close it. Okay, so I'm just gonna close it, and so that I can put it to work. Alexa, turn on pool pump 1. Okay, so the pump is working, and I also opened the breather here on top of the filter, so it's gonna be pushing air out. Right now it's just moving water, as you can see there, inside the pump. And you can hear the noise here. See, you can hear that. So it's pushing air out. And now the pump is moving all the water real fast. So it's pumping properly, the way it's supposed to be. And after it bleeds all the air out, then I'm just gonna close this valve, And we're almost there. You can see the water going real fast. Look at that. And now it's gonna start pushing water out. Yep, there. That's it. No more air. And there's gonna be some air coming out inside the water. Inside the pool. As you can see there, that's all the air that went into the filter area when I was draining the water to remove the pump. But anyway, as you can see now, it's working. The only thing that I need to do now is just wait for the part. I'll be getting it from Amazon. It'll take about a day or two, like I said. As soon as I get the